In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to report someone on Discord. Let's get started. First, launch your Discord app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on this search icon. Type in the username of the person to whom you want to report. After the person appears, click on it. Now, click on the username of that person. Then click on the settings icon given at the top right. Now, click on the option profile. Now here you're going to find 3 dots. Click on that and you'll get the option of report user profile. Click on this option. Now click on next. Select the elements that you want to report in the user's profile: photo, name, text, descriptors, or server tag. Likewise, select the option that best describes the problem. Click on submit report. Just with that, you have reported that person. And that's it. This is how you can easily report someone on Discord. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.